Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Heaven Above. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix your screen recording on your iPhone. First go to settings, select screen time, content and privacy restrictions, and then select content restrictions, and then go down here, screen recording, and if you're doing it for the first time, select don't allow for the first time. I already did it, so I'm not doing it again. Select this don't allow and then go back to your settings, and now here again select screen time, select content and privacy, again content restrictions, screen recording. Now press this allow. Okay, that's how you fix your screen recording. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.